At hello guys, nagbabalik po tayo dito sa ating munting kalalabahan. Kanina may nang troll, kanina tinroll ko yung isang player double kill, tatlo. Tinroll ko, double kill, 2 vs 3. Easy. Kasing galing ko si Rosa. Hindi ko na, kilala nyo ba, dito tayo mang-troll. We are the trollers. Ako lang may-ari ng bridge. Walang dadaan dito, sure. Ready na tayo. Oh, meron na. Come. Welcome.
Si Mandong na.
Maliit na, Jay.
Bahala na nga siya. Joke lang.
Password.
Oh, what the fuck?
Parang Jonathan 1974.
What the? Delete niya siguro, ginamit niya yung trick. Yung papatayin mo yung wifi. Sus, alam ko na yun. Karma. Patay. Easy. This hobby is so easy. Kinaban ako dun. Mag-airplane mode tayo pag may mga tuturon. Miso. What the fuck? These OV are not unbelievable. This is the easiest OB I never see in this world. 1 jump, 2 jump, 4 jump. This is easy. Shortcut destiny. Ang init. Teleport.
Galing pala sa Sambales.
No! We have a troller. Time to get revenge. Ay. Busog ako. Troll niya. Ano naman ay gonna fall. Patang lilim ng oras na naiserisin. Ay. Huwag kasi kayong tumalon. No? Putik. The manukan, remove ang manukan. Si Robin ang manukan. can insist only wake up. Don't jump. Easy. He fall. Parang si Dudong to ah.
Uy, ito naman ang init. Sandal pa rin sa akin.
Damdaman ka.
Motor sa EDSA, bawal na sa overpass.
Bye-bye girl.
Underpass.
Sumatang mo.
Ano, lilipad na lang.
Ako nagalit, re-report ko talaga to siguro. Troller. No, 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 no. Welcome. You cannot pass my bridge. Ito yung nag-troll sa akin kanina eh. Bobo. Hindi ko papadaanin si Gojo kahit
Ayos
kailan.
naman, yung paa mo naman.
Bye-bye, Sigma. What the Sigma? Ooh. Di natin papadaanin. Bye-bye. You fool. Boom. Tralaleo, tralab.
Mami niya pala si Patrick.
Ito yung ingat tayo sa mga troller. Alam ko may troller dito. Banda! Mama! May troller dito, banda. May troller. Vamos, 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 vamos. Hulog. Hulog. Karma. Karma is real. Duwi dap dap, duwi dap dap, dip dip dip. Sobrang hirap. Welcome. Back to the corner. Word a cardboard cup between my hands, saying, if you see this girl, can you tell her? How can I move on with you? Till we love you, cause it's one day you wake up. See me and you just start to wonder. Baby. Going back to the corner. Or for you, then I'm in a sleeping bag and gone. Some words of cardboard card between men saying, if you see this girl, can you tell her? Cause it's one day you wake up. Seeing me and your heart is start to wonder. Scary. Going back to the corner where for you gonna jump in my sleeping bag. I'm gonna move some word or cardboard card between my hands saying, If you see this girl, can you tell her where I am? What cannot do? How cannot move on? I still we love you. Cause if one day you wake up here and you find me singing, and your heart is start to wander up, like it's I be going back to the corner. Oh, for you gonna come in my sleeping bag. I'm gonna move somewhere the cupboard. Between the flying. If you see this girl, can you tell me where I am? Gonna do. How can I move on? I still love you. Cause if one day you wake up here and you find sing me and your heart is start to wonder. Going back to the core. Sobrang init. Come on, who can move on? You, cause if one day you wake up, paldo yun ah! Nashoot tayo. Easy. This OB is, I never see this OB is very easy, bro. I'm full. We're gonna troll a birch beach. Putik na boses yan. Anong ang uri ko? Cause if when you wake up, shortcut tayo dito. Kasi Babala, asawa ni Babalu, ay magtutrol dyan. Tutrol tayo nan. Kaya Babala, dito dapat dadaan. Ako nga yung nahulog ako, butin dito ako na-shoot. Kanata! Mama! I don't want this over. Ayoko na. Ayoko na. Ayoko na talaga. For sure. Mulog. Walang makakabalik. Ako naman magtotrol dito ng mga oh, bye-bye. And how can anyone wake up and you see me? No. Bye. You cannot throw. No. Easy. I make you easy. Do not troll. Troll are bad. Tara na. Pichonimi. Tung 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 sahur. Tung tung tung. Sahur. Walang makabalik. Reset na lang kayo para makabalik. Kung sa inyo, magpahulog na lang kayo para makapabalik. Dito na nagtatago. Para kang nandiyan. Sorry, makina.
May a-attend na akong wedding ngayon, so get ready with me. Naglagay na ako ng sunscreen. Ngayon, uunahin ko ay yung ito talaga yung lagi ko makeup ako eh. Tatanong sa akin kung saan mo na pinagawa yung lip face. Pinabrush ko. Then, lilinisin natin siya.
Boneka, ang balabu. Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Uhuy. Larila, boneka, ang balabu. Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Karma. Halika, Ana.
Eyelashes na.
Dito na nagtatapos ang vlog